Hello friends, this is Ramana. Today I will show demo on how to calculate percentage in SQL. We don't have any built-in operators for percentage in SQL. We can rely on arithmetic calculations to get the percentage in SQL Server. So today I will show how to calculate the percentage creating two variables, finding percentage on variables, and second one finding percentage on columns of the table, on two columns of table, and third one is how to extract the percentage from the database records, percentage of records, extracting the percentage of records rows, percentage of rows from dataset. Yeah, first we will see the first method, that is how to calculate the percentage on variables after declaring the variables. I'm taking a new query here. First I'm declaring the variables. Declare. So I'm declaring my variable is first, and I am declaring my int type as float, and second one is I'm declaring two more variables here. This is the second name is second, this is also float, and this is the percent. Percent is also float. Here I am setting the value, set at first is equal to, so suppose 145 I am setting value, and set second is second, I am declaring a 23. I am declaring three variables, first and second and percentage. I am setting the values for first and second. Now I am going to get the percentage between two values after calculating the two variables. So how can I do that? So first I'm taking the second by first first variable into 100, and after that print percentage. So this is how you need to calculate the percentage between two variables. Now by default, if you can see and in the calculator to check the percentage, second one is 23 by 145 is equal to 0.158, like that. So I am executing this. So in this calculator we want to make it 100, so 15.86. So this is how you need to get. So you must be very careful at the time of declaring the variable. If you declare the instead of float, you make an int, you cannot get the desired result. Even you cannot get the errors. So it will throw a 0. So why it is not directly not fail to calculate the percentage here is at the time of them rounding the errors, it cannot get the exact value. That's why we cannot go directly to int at the time of declaring the variable for the percentage. If you want to declare the variables as int, and if you want to percentage, you need to cast that int as a float. So here I am casting the int as float. Cast I am casting the second percentage second as float, and then close the bracket. You run this, cast second as float. Yeah, you need to close the bracket. Yeah, see here. So if you declare the int or money values as data types for your variables, you need to make it the relevant compatibility of your finding variable. Now I declare the variables as int. First two variables are int, and my percentage is I am declaring as a float. So for that we need to convert the value as float and then multiply with the 100. This is how you need to work with the variables at the time of the calculating the percentage. I want to finding the percentage on two columns of the table. For that I am creating one table now. So here create table, and I am giving the table name as person and portion as my column name, and float is my data type, and second column name I am giving here as total float. Next I am inserting the values, insert into this person, insert into person, insert into person values. So here I am declaring two values, to some values. I am declaring some values, and I am closing it and creating the table with two columns. There is portion and total, whose data type says float. Now I am assigning my values to the columns. 15, some randomly declared values. These are creating the table. Yes. Afterwards, I am selecting the table star from person. These are the data. Two columns, one is portion and one is the total. Now I want to know the percentage of the portion from the total. So how can I get? For that I am taking portion as portion or part. Portion here is portion, comma, total. How much percentage of the um, amount in the portion column from the total value, comma, portion by total into 100 as percentage. This is how this is how you need to get the percentage. So here 20 to 20 is to 28.57 percentage among the total 70. So 15 is 33.33 percentage of the total of 45. If you cross check, so 15 by 45 into 100. This is the result. So on two columns, if you want to get the percentage, you need to do like this. So this is how you need to do. Um, you need to do calculations, percentage calculation on two columns. Now my last one is here, extracting the percentage of rows from the data set. So here in Adventure Works 2019, I have one column is employee column is there. It contains 290 records. I want to extract the percentage of rows from this column. So how can I get? First, I'm calculating the percentage. Top 20%. Top 20% star. So if you run this one, among 290, 20% here is 290 into 20 by 100. So you will get 58 records. So here you will get 58 records. Now in this, I want again, I want to, again to extract some percentage. So that percentage here, I want here is 50%. Select top 50%. Take the whole query and make the edges query as the inner query. Just give the derived column from, not here, from T, some template. Now here I want 50%. So we already get 20% of 290, that comes to 58. So among 58, we want 58 by 50%. That is by 2. That's 29. So if you execute this query, you need to get percentage 29 records for this query. See, 29 records. So first time selecting the percentage by using percent from this table and get the records. From then I will make this entire query as the inner query, and on top of it I am writing I want to get 50% of the 50% of this 20%. So if we change the calculation, initially we have just 290 rows. If we change calculation, here I want I will make 30%. What it comes to 2290 into 30 by 100, that means 87 rows you will get. On top of it I want to 40%. So 87 into 40 by 100, that means 34.8, like that. 35, 34.8 means 35 rows. So this is how you know to extract the percentage, the number of rows from the existing table. How much percentage you want from you want to get from the table, you need to mention just by giving the percent and get the desired result. So this is how the percentage calculation will work in SQL. So initially we don't have any built-in operator. Everything is depending on the arithmetic calculation. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.